slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh my God! RKO! KO out of nowhere! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh! What?
Oh! Superman punch!
Wow!
Oh, here we go! Contact! Powerbomb!
Oh! A little insult for injury. Pedigree!
Seth Rollins with a pedigree!
Oh, Sean, he didn't go!
Shot him landing on his feet.
Oh my God in heaven!
There he is! And kick from Sheamus! Come on, go! And Baron Corbin looking again for the end of days!
Impressed now, Dolph.
High impact, the rest as well.
Oh my!
Up top. There it is.
Wait!
Oh no!
Oh my! I was right there. It is.
Oh!
What?
Oh! Superman punch!
Wow! Oh!
Oh, the Styles Clash!
We saw it last night.
Trying to hook it in! Styles Clash to Jericho! Cena! AA! Cover!
Ducking underneath it. Look at
Oh my God!
No!
With Big Show up on his shoulders!
He's walking around with him.
Can you believe
No
this?
way!
F